My name is Michael and I'm with California Electrical Training. What I would like to do is go over our lighting controls boards that you're going to be working on. The power is going to come through the EMT and it's coming to a junction box. In this junction box we have a disconnect switch which will be your power, your on and off power for your lab board. We will not need to enter this box for any purpose because all the wiring comes from your disconnect, comes down below and comes out to this lower J box. In this J box here we will have our power source, we will have a neutral, and we will have a ground. And these are all pre-connected, the neutrals and the grounds are pre-connected, and you can see the power source has a Wago on it. These are special Wagos that have little levers on them. I know they're kind of hard to see, but they lift up and down. And what you do is you lift them up, you insert your wire into there, and then you clip it down and it grabs the wire. So there won't be any cutting or stripping of wires going on during these lab boards. Additionally, we have two light fixtures here. We have a 4-inch downlight, which is a phase dim control light fixture. Basically, it's line voltage dimming. And then we have an 8-inch downlight, which is 0 to 10, a 0 to 10 light fixture. It's not mounted to the board, so it can be moved later on for other different types of labs. That wiring all comes into this junction box. With the 0 to 10, you have your power, you have your neutral already connected, and you have your two purple and grays for your 0 to 10 control wiring. With the phase control, you have your neutral that's already connected up here, and then you have your wire coming from the light fixture that you'll tie into at a later date. On the lab board, we also have a hole inside drilled into the shelf here. This is where you're going to pass through any type of control wiring, not line voltage wiring, but control wiring coming through and going down to this lower area. Now in this lower area we have two junction boxes. You notice we have 632 screws screwed into these J boxes. This is so you can set your devices directly on the box and you don't have to screw them into the box. Behind these two boxes we have chase nipples so you can pass your low voltage wiring or your control wiring through, connect your device, and then you just place it on the J box. In future videos you're going to see what this looks like when we get to the actual exercises. And when all said and done, everything should work correctly. Make sure you don't turn on power before you talk to the instructor. You have to have permission to turn on power. And also let's remember to wear our safety glasses. Enjoy your labs.